In this video, we're going to be talking about some disinfectants. So if you're interested in finding out more, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello, I'm Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and you're in the right place if you want to make decorating a bit easier on a budget. If so, then click that red subscribe button you see down below. A bell will appear. Click that bell and then click all. This way you'll be notified each time I upload something new. And while we're here, give your girl a thumbs up. It doesn't hurt you to give me a thumbs up, but it will help my channel. And also comment and share my videos. Now today I'm continuing on with my healthy and natural home series. Now today we're going to talk about 10 ways to clean with vinegar. 10 ways to clean with vinegar. You clean scissors with vinegar. You spray it on and you wipe them off and you'll clean the blades. They'll look really good. Number 2, it can be used to remove sticky stuff or stickers on the back of cups. You spray it on there and you let it sit, and you come back and you'll be able to wipe it away. Number 3, it cleans the coffee pot. Now you have a buildup sometime in the coffee pot. You pour a cup of vinegar in there and you run it through. You may have to run it through twice and then run a cup of water through there and rinse it out, and it should be fine. Number 4, you clean your microwave with vinegar. I spray mine with the vinegar and water mix and wipe it out clean. It does great. Number 5, it unclogs drains. Now you take a half a cup of baking soda, a half a cup of vinegar, and you cover it and you let it sit for a few minutes, and you do a boiling pot of water down the drain, and it washes things away. Number 6, you put it in place of jet dry in your dishwasher. Instead of jet dry, tongue tied. Instead of jet dry, you put the vinegar in there and fill it up, and the vinegar will clean and your stuff will come out with no spots on it. It works. Number 7, in the garbage disposal, if you add lemon and vinegar in a tray, an ice tray, and freeze it into blocks, and you take the ice cubes with the vinegar ice cubes and lemon, and you put them in your garbage disposal and cut it on and let it go and crunch up that ice vinegar and lemon, and the smell is great. Okay? Let's see, number 8, you add white vinegar to your rinse cycle. So in your washing machine, when it gets ready to rinse, if you put a cup of vinegar in there and let it rinse through, you'll be amazed with what it does. You'll be amazed how it helps clean and shine or brighten up your laundry. Number 9, it removes onion smell from your hands and fish. So like if you're cooking and you're chopping up a lot of onions, you know you always have that smell, then you add vinegar to your hands, wash them in the sink with vinegar, and then wash them with soap and water, and the smell will be gone. And number 10, you clean your wood cutting board. All right, what I do is I spray it with the vinegar mix, vinegar and water, and then I wipe it down after the use, and this keeps it sterilized. And rinse it off, dry it, put it away. Chopping board is clean. So if you learned anything from this and it's very informative, please let me know down below. I love to hear your comments. I'm trying to find things that are a little different and that will help with your spring clean. If you haven't gone already to check out creativelymissme.com, check out my blog. where I have created forms to make planning easier for home organization and for content creators. Make sure you sign up for the quickest updates. And this is Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me saying, thank you for watching, and you be blessed.